favorite ponies, Big Lemon here. I'm back with another video. This video is going to be something about LPS because I have some, and yeah. I'm sorry if my voice kind of sounds different because I kind of lost my voice for a bit and then it came back, so yeah. And like every pony wanted, my brother's back, baby! Are you okay? So yeah, he's going to be voicing some of the characters and yeah. Alright,
Your necklace is in the way, I can't see.
Let's continue the video! Woo!
So, you guys want to go to the beach?
Sure. Yeah, I bet it'll be fun.
Totes. Okay, let's go get our stuff.
Okay.
Okay, get all the stuff, get the ball, get the lunch. Are you coming? Yeah, I just gotta find my stuff.
Wait a minute. Oh crap, I forgot my flippin' snorkel stuff.
Ow.
Lightly.
It's Willow.
Beats me. Whoa.
Okay, got all my stuff. You don't need all that stuff to go to the beach. Are you living there or something?
Obviously.
I have my makeup so I can look good. I have my aerial ring so it's water. And I have my own fancy toilet. And I have the pillow I lay on. Because
Bruh.
I want to get tan.
The beach is all about like getting wet and be like, whoa.
No, the beach is not all about that. I mean, some people get tan, some people,
You can't get tan.
I'm a pig, some pigs can.
Whatever, but I'm gonna have fun. Every putt shall forth as a dog will have fun. Pigs like you won't. I feel dumb now.
Is every pet ready to go?
Yeah.
Let's go!
Yeah.
Somebody please help me with my stuff.
I will. Okay. I know where the beach is. And
You sure, bro?
yeah, I always go there.
Okay.
Where?
To get this stuff on the road.
Yeah. 3, 2, 1.
Alright.
This way.
This way? Okay. I got this.
Stupid toilet.
Let's go.
Yeah, you were at the bridge.
So all we gotta do is cross this and then we're there?
Yeah, I guess so.
Okay.
First one there is a rotten egg.
Dude, I gotta grab my stuff.
Our turn, I
Is this our
guess.
turn?
Yeah, let's go.
Are you sure this is the beach? Because it's not.
Whoops.
Wait, what?
Huh? Crap. Back to the bridge. Wait. What the fuck? Where did it go?
There's just a wall here.
Maybe we should
I
ask
guess we're trapped.
It's okay, guys. We
Wait,
got this.
what is it? What if we went through an invisible wall and we can go through it?
What
Okay,
is
let me try
this
to.
place? Oh, there's a sign over here.
Wait, guys. Guys, where's Lucas? Guys, it is an invisible wall. Come on, let's go.
But I might, you know, animals.
Oh crap!
It's a pony. It's okay.
Hide in the toilet.
Hey, free stuff. Yep, animals. There's a mouse. Guys, this is the end for us.
Goodbye, friends.
I feel feel bad for you. You've been brainwashed. No, chill out. It's not the end of the world.
Yeah, it's great here.
So, wait a minute. You guys have fun here? Well,
Yeah, dude, it's fun.
Well, yeah, Fluttershy's actually a good animal character, like other ones. Isn't MLP like all our rivals?
Nah, they're actually kind of cool.
Yeah, if you get used to them.
I mean, but she's kind of like a Barbie dog, so she's basically not a LSP.
Shut up! Yeah. Oh my gosh, let me take this stuff off for you. My love life. Alright.
Did you get new animals?
Maybe.
Did you get new animals?
Oh, yeah. You already said that twice, but okay.
I know, I had to get closer.
Alright, let me take yours off.
She took it.
Thank you. Okay, excuse me, butterscotch. Alright, guys, he's ready for dinner.
What the heck was that, Willow? That was my makeup bag. Oh, you look pretty.
Who cares? Who cares?
I think she's sad. I think you made her sad by taking that bag away.
Nah. We should go eat some food while we're here. It's like vacation.
I wonder what food, like pizza, cheeseburger, quarter pounder.
Let's go.
What are we gonna have? What?
After lunch. Well, I guess I'll see you guys someday, I guess. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye, Fluttershy, you're the best.
I love that quarter pounder though.
Me too. Woo.
So good. Come on, Willow, let's go.
I'll help you. Huh, what adorable animals.
Adorable? They attacked me.
Let's go, Butterscotch.
Thanks for